Damn, I put my name.
It's playing.
It is.
Yeah.
No. No. Stop!
Show your face, you ugly bitch.
You dumb hoe.
Weasley! Look at her. Look at her. Look at her play with her hair. She's trying to seduce you.
Shut up! uh,
So this is what we be doing, be chilling, just doing our homework, making a little bit of video. Stop off my accent, girl. Your money, a milli, 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 a milli. Can nuns have sex? No? I don't know. Probably no. What's
God won't let them.
obviously?
God won't let them have mine.
Pose 1. Pose 2. Pose 3.
It's the same pose.
No. Pose 4. Pose 5. Pose 6. Pose 7. Pose 8. Pose 9. Pose 10.
Those are the same poses.
That's creepy.
All right.
Ote. Ote. Ote no video.